तुम कहाँ कहाँ जाना चाहते हो? Where all do you want to go? Where all do you want to go? आप इंग्लिश क्लास कहाँ कहाँ लेते हो? Where all do you take English classes? Where all do you take English classes? आपके पास क्या क्या है? What all do you have? You have. What all do you have? You have. कितनी बार आप वहाँ जाते हो? How often do you go there? How often do you go there? पार्टी में कौन कौन आ रहा है? Who all are coming to the party? Who all are coming to the party? चाय कौन कौन पीता है? Who all drink tea? Who all drink tea? मेरे साथ फिल्म देखने कौन कौन आना चाहता है? Who all want to come to movie with me? Who all want to come to movie with me? आप किस किस से बात करोगे? Whom all will you talk to? Whom all will you talk to? तुम यह किस किस को समझाओगे? Who all will you explain this to? Who all will you explain this to? उसने किस किस से झूठ बोला? Whom all did he lie? To whom all did he lie? जैसा आपने कहा मैंने किया. I did as you said. I did as you said. जितना जल्दी हो सके चले जाओ. Go as soon as possible. Go as soon as possible. जहाँ तक मुझे पता है उसकी शादी हो चुकी है. As far as I know she is married. As far as I know she is married. मेरे वापस आने तक यहीं रुको. Wait here till I come back. Wait here till I come back. यह बात मुझे समय पर याद दिला देना. Remind me of this in time. Remind me of this in time. फिर कभी आकर मिलना. Come and meet me again sometime. Come and meet me again sometime. हर बात का एक वक्त होता है. There is a time for everything. There is a time for everything. वह एक एक मिनट का पाबंद है. He is punctual to every minute. He is punctual to every minute. आपने सच में मुझे बचा लिया. You really saved me. You really saved me. काम से जी मत चुराओ. Don't shy away from work. Don't shy away from work.